for buy water. I know. Rolling on the river, ba-da-bum. Rolling on the river, rolling on the river, rolling on the river now. Work so hard on a Sunday, rolling on the river now. So yo, no, 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 no. Yeah, rolling on the river. Rolling on the river now. Rolling on the river now. Whoa. I'm scared of heights. Feel like I'm gonna fall off. Fall off. Ow, daddy. But everyone you try shift in the bed, you have full size one for your husband. That's how hard it is. Ow, oh God. Oh yeah, daddy. By the time you turn so much, you're tired. You don't want to bother doing nothing. You're tired. That's the thing about being full size. You get tired by the time you lift your leg one time, your belly hurt. Happened to me so much time, a lot. But now, I'm a skinny little whistle. Oh, damn it. The socks and the shoe. Damn you. Who still want to be a celebrity and think life is nice? Come on. Come on and be a serious celebrity life. Come on, baby. Now, come on, bro. Oh, the breadfruit. Oh, the breadfruit. The breadfruit. I got some nice breadfruit today, boy. Excuse me? Oh, sure. I take some help, baby. All my fans is like, yeah. How you doing, guys? Your husband and wife? Can I show my friends you guys?
Absolutely.
Yeah?
Hi.
Hi. God bless you. I tell you, white people is not as bad as some people think. They. You know. I love you. God bless you. Nice
Yeah,
to
you
meet
too. Yeah, pleasure.
Yeah, nice to meet
Have
you.
a nice day.
Yeah, you too. Yeah, it's not, you know, so, yeah. I love it too. You know, they go out and they help us back. They remember the days when we was all doing it. So when they see us struggling now, you know, they pay us back by trying to help us and be nice to us. Oops, sorry about that. Those doors should be automatic doors. I love it too, goody. Yeah, they're not all that bad. Some speak and some will see you struggling and they don't speak. Some are good And that one is mad with the world. He would even say, lady, can I help you? But the other two was nice and she was cute. Cute. She got some nose ring. Cute, cute. Cute little white girl. Thank you, sis. Thank you. We still sis. It doesn't matter. Ah, damn it, I can't see. Sorry, my darling. I know. You said, what the hell is going on here? How you doing? Oh, boy, this sister is in looking great, boy. Husband and wife? Your marriage is going to last a long damn time. I could tell you that, boy. Your marriage is going to last, baby. Your marriage is going to last. All my fans say, what, all over the world? I don't want to show people all over the world without their permission. Can I show your back? Not the face? Not the back? She said, no. I have big butt too. Come on, go on, so. See, I have it too. So go along, so, to show off. Please. Fuck, hell. Got me a big up. You could have big now on the whole fucking saggy. Please. Stop going, some man. Let me tell her face to face, me not be a hypocrite. I'm going to bed back on top. I'm going to tell her straight to me have to. Don't have to be like that. I go on like it's so greater than everybody else. Please. Can't take a little compliment and run with it. And can't, you know, my darling. You cut me hair for me. The man. The girl walk up and say, I don't listen to look pleasant. By the time I say, I the man cut your hair for me, I swear to God, me not like too much. Why this world is wicked? You see this world, what even not good? I'm telling you, it's not like it used to be. Nowadays, now, look what they're doing now. They're making a lot of mannequins, right? Right? Like human being, we could talk and everything. And they said it would be good for therapy. For like, you know, for those pedophile. It would good to treat them by giving them a automatical, something we feel like a woman. Like a real woman. And them make them, you understand, and sleep with them. And the bad thing about it is when they're showing how they could talk, you know. And the robot could talk, and the man said to the robot, you know, do you swallow? And the robot said, well, the nice ones do. And I was like, what this world is coming to? Why is she going to say, well, the nice ones do back to the man? You know, stop me say, if she nice, she will do it. You know, she will swallow. You see this world? I mean, they're making these things, these men bringing these things to their house as a second wife. And they have time with them go inside and set it up. And the computer, time where they can turn in each mood. Like a family mood. Where you can play with your children, them like a next family member. And next time you can get them to sleep with them and all them thing. And the damn thing the man gonna say, do you swallow? And the damn same thing turned around and said, nice girl, swallow. You know, this is ridiculous. I am telling you, I look around now. And every face me see me not trust me think them a doll. Every one of them me see. Me ask God, say, well, you know, help me with this. Oh, thank you. You're a nice young man. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah. So, you know, I don't know anymore. Because if the robots are going to swallow, we're not going to be able to last long. Because we can't swallow like that. That's ridiculous. They're going to run out to inside. So imagine all the robots, they're coming now looking like beautiful women. They look beautiful more. In perfect shape. And they must swallow. This is a bad example for the world. This is bad. They say pedophile is going to help them, you know, study show, which will help them from being more like doing other things to real people. Then can use that instead. For instance, it's a murderer then, or somebody has some fetish of killing people. Them can use the doll, the man sitting, you know, because it's just a doll. But I said, don't feed into your madness. People who are pedophile and doing these things, you shouldn't build doll, give them like a real man. You should try to execute and take the dopey out of them and make them seek the Lord's salvation. Because I got them need. No building something for them do what they want for the dog and make it better. This is ridiculous what the world coming to me. I tell you. Ross. Ridiculous what the world coming to me. I'm telling you. So, I reach inside the supermarket and I see one girl and one boy rushing for. They look like a Jamaican them. And believe me, say me stand up and somebody must come on the next phone. And by me look them under the breadfruit basket. Quick as you see me could have hang up on there. They under the breadfruit basket. And there's a big breadfruit I wanted to get, you know what I mean? There's not much left there, and a big one, and so on. And just a little time before the phone, when me look to rat the woman have in her hand. The next man take up the next big breadfruit one. And me start to act like me not interested. Me take up the breadfruit next to it. And I still have them, then I feel them hand. But the one I have in the hand is the one me want. You see, and probably two more. So anyway, I put back the breadfruit and me take and put it right back. You know what I mean? And so the dog in him and a hug. I have the breadfruit, you know, I take the breadfruit and put it back on a pick round. If I don't want the breadfruit, they're not so wonderful, you know, so I don't really want it. So that's what you have to do to get people not interested to put back what they have in them hands. You can't get it. So immediately I start to act like, put it back and I tell them, say, well, boy, I don't want to search them, the one with type and rare. So I realize the guy put back one and then keep only one. So I take up the next one and put on the basket quick before I come back and change my mind again and take up one more. Anyway, the woman must have the next one I have. You know, when they come to the conclusion, most of it put it back. And I just take it and put it in the next basket as well. And and then I walk around the other side. So if they come back and change their mind, they're not there because I got there first, you know, but that's because I was paying attention to something that quick. You know, you have to act like you don't want something no more, act like they're not good. Start finding fault, even know if they're good, you know? And you know, breadfruit expensive, you know what I mean? You don't even know if you're good, because I want to kind of look young and skinny and shit. And then put it back down. And then you take it up now, and you pay for it, because that's what you travel on the train go so far for. You can't disappoint your own self. Yeah, you know what I mean? So I'm sorry, I mean, this is way of life. That's just the way of the life, you know, the one of the brain win more. I mean, I'm sorry. I have to do what I have to do. I make up my mind for the breadfruit from last night, and I couldn't stand the chance of losing it. It would be a big disappointment to my soul. I'm not lie to you. It would have been. It would have been, yeah? It would have been a big disappointment to my soul. I'm not going to lie to you. Yeah. So, I got the breadfruit and I'm finally home now. I'm going to put them in the oven and cut up the scallop. Scoop the scallop quick for my son. So my son drive, come pick it up. I'm a one pitney, you know. I can't find my heart bleed, you see. I come in a car nugget, I say, one of you all right. So make sure you're happy. Once I'm alive, I can't do any little nice things, you know, your children, them. Even though I'm big and so, you know, I'm a vegan and I eat meat, so I'm going to roast the breadfruit and make a color. England will greatly appreciate that. Trust me, I know I'm a pitney tan. So, I love her now. I'm going to let her go come. I'm going to put the breadfruit in the color like right now, so I can done everything. Forget to talk to her later again. Okay, I love you guys. Mwah. Thank you so much and God bless you.